Hi, I'm Natalie Goodman, founder of IncentiFind, and we're the go-to database of green building incentives. Each year, government entities and utility companies offer $70 billion in green building incentives, but over $35 billion goes unclaimed. Property owners are leaving money on the table all because these incentives have been difficult to find and capture. An average of $85,000 in incentives is available to a single commercial property. And as you can see here, we're closing the gap between incentives available and incentives captured. We are the largest database of green building incentives with over 500,000 ways to save in commercial and residential sectors. Our database houses everything you see here, and our easy-to-use data connects properties to incentive savings on both new construction and existing buildings. You can connect to these savings directly through our platform, or for those of you whose systems can adopt it, you can subscribe to our API products. For the first time, it's easy to save money by building green. And when you subscribe, you will leverage this simple process. Find incentives for your property. Verify your project's eligibility for incentives, and apply to incentives using our streamlined action steps. You can leverage our services for a single property or across your portfolio. Let me show you the difference that IncentiFind makes, starting with a commercial office for a building owner operator. This building owner operator wanted to find incentives for a project that was in the detailed design phase. The owner started with our search survey, which takes only about a minute to submit. Next, the owner purchased our Verify report for $500, which revealed a soft estimate of $170,000 in savings. This report detailed all eligible incentives for the project and further supported the design team in aligning the project drawings to the incentive criteria, which helped the owner achieve carbon reduction goals. The upgrades included water heating, LED lighting, HVAC, building insulation upgrades, and rooftop solar. The owner leveraged IncentiFind's Apply services and claimed $64,000 in rebates, which are cash reimbursements post-construction, and $87,000 in tax-related incentives. This is a real example of what IncentiFind can do for a single property. Now, let me show you what we can do for portfolios. A major multifamily owner and operator wanted to find incentives for a portfolio and plan upgrades across multiple properties. The owner populated one of our portfolio templates, which we use on 5 or more properties. The owner purchased Verify reports for 72 properties, which cost just under $11,000. The report showed all eligible incentives for each property in the portfolio and supported the project team in planning upgrades that would meet aggressive sustainability goals. The updates included HVAC, building controls, LED lighting, rooftop solar, windows, and plumbing fixture upgrades. The owner leveraged IncentiFind's Apply services and claimed nearly $97,000 in rebates per property. Again, these are cash reimbursements post-construction, and just over $200,000 in tax-related incentives per property. IncentiFind has taken the guesswork out of incentive search and capture. Before, you had to spend weeks compiling incentive information. Now, you can run a simple search on our database. Manual methods are so time intensive that incentives might change before you can even capture them, whereas our data is always up to date, and we verify your project's eligibility for incentives so that you are informed as you make critical decisions. You don't have to lose time or money anymore. Find eligible incentives for your project and capture them with IncentiFind. As we lead the real estate industry in leveraging incentives, we're forming alliances and partnerships to accelerate this work. Together, we're empowering people to claim cost savings for their properties. We invite you to join our pilot program and start saving money for going green. Thank you. Holding Oh, 6:52. Okay. Cool. Now I have to figure out how to undo all the recording stuff. Y'all are so patient with me. Okay. I really hope that record button wasn't on there the whole time. Hold on. Let me figure this out.